So here I am at Lymington Dirt Jumps, and this is the bike check. So I've got my NS Majesty frame, which is the park version to keep it nice and short for spinning around. I got the NS proof bars, Octane 1 prototype stem. I got NS aerial pedals, got the Octane 1 two-piece cranks, got the Halo Chaos wheel set, which is very strong, good for flares and all sorts of tricks. Running the KHE Mach 2 dirt tyres, nice for skate parks and pretty good for dirt as well. Got the gusset half link chain in green to match the Brazilian acid colour of the NS frame. Then we got 27 tooth gusset chainring on the front with 11 tooth sprocket on the back, and not to forget the Mazzocchi Dirt Jumper 1 forks. Amazing, working really good, had them on like almost all year, no problems. And I've got the gyro here from Trixer, which is the new version for this year, and that's working really well, and a nice brake. So yeah, that is my bike check. We got the plastic seat here from Gusset, which is not very comfy, but you know, when you're flinging your bike around, who needs a seat? Yeah, so that's basically everything about my bike, and yeah, go and get yourself everything that I've got here, and you'll probably be able to do some awesome tricks as well. So yeah, thanks a lot. And don't forget my new signature grips from NS. They are going to be pretty awesome, coming out soon, so definitely get yourself some of those. Yeah.